Hi guys, I'm Meena. Today's topic is about introduction to cell structure. I'm currently studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, pursuing my bachelor's in CSC with the specialization of cybersecurity. So let's get into the topic. Cells are fundamental building blocks of all living organisms. They come in a vast array of shapes and sizes, but share a common underlying structure that allows them to perform a vital functions. So let's explore more insights regarding cell structure and functions. Coming to cell membrane, selective membrane. The cell membrane acts as a barrier controlling what enters and exits the cell while allowing essential nutrients, gases, and waste to pass through. Phospholipid bilayer. The membrane is composed of a double-layered phospholipid molecules with hydrophilic heads facing upwards and hydrophobic tails facing inwards. Transport of proteins in cell membrane are specialized transport proteins embedded in the membrane facilitates the movement of molecules across the barrier, enabling critical cellular functions. Coming to nucleus, the control center of nucleus, these act as a cell housing the genetic material and directing all cellular activities. Membrane bound organelles of nucleus are bounded, separated from the cytoplasm by a double layered nuclear envelope. Coming to genetic information regarding nucleus, these contains the cell's genetic material organized into chromatin and chromosomes, which carry the instructions for the cell's functions. Then nucleus. Within the nucleus is a dense non-membrane bound structure responsible for the production of ribosomes and the protein factor of the cell. Coming to cytoplasm, these are gel-like structure that fills the cell, providing a medium for chemical reactions and organelle movement. Under cytoplasm, the molecular transport is responsible for transporting molecules, nutrients, and other necessary components throughout the cell to support its functions. Coming to cell's interior in cytoplasm, which contains the cell's organelles which are suspended within it and carry out important cellular processes. Next is mitochondria. These are also known as power plants of the cell. Mitochondria are often referred as the powerhouses of the cell, generating the majority of cell's energy in the form of ATP through a process called cellular respiration. Now, what is cellular respiration? A cellular respiration within a mitochondria, it is a series of biomolecule reactions that convert glucose and oxygen into ATP, the universal energy currency used by the cell. The unique structure of mitochondria have a distinctive double membrane structure with an outer membrane and an inner membrane that is highly folded to increase surface area for more efficient energy production. Autonomy. Mitochondria are considered semi-autonomous organelles as they have own DNA and can replicate independence of the cell's nucleus. Next is endoplasmic reticulum. In endoplasmic reticulum, the structure is an extensive network of interconnected tubules and flattened sacs that extend throughout the cell's cytoplasm. It serves as a highway for the transport of materials and provides a large surface area for various cellular processes. In endoplasmic reticulum, there are rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Under rough endoplasmic reticulum, the rough endoplasmic reticulum is studded with ribosomes, which are responsible for the synthesis of proteins. These newly formed proteins are then transported through the endoplasmic reticulum for the further processing and modification. In smooth endoplasmic reticulum, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum lacks ribosomes and is involved in various functions, including the synthesis of lipids, the regulation of calcium levels, and detoxification of drugs and other harmful substances. Next is Golgi apparatus. The key organelle. These are also known as key organelle. The Golgi apparatus is a crucial organelle within eukaryotic cells that play a vital role in the modification, sorting, packaging of proteins for the transport of their final destination. Sagged membrane structures in Golgi apparatus. These consist of a series of flattened membrane-bound sacs called cisternae that are arranged in a characteristic stacked formation. Protein processing in Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus receives proteins from the endoplasmic reticulum, further modifies them through the addition of sugars and other chemical groups, and then packages them into vessels and transport to their final destination within the cells. Next is ribosomes. The cellular factories of ribosomes are the protein producing factories within cells responsible for synthesizing the proteins needed for the cell structure and function. Two subunits, the ribosomes are composed of a large and a small subunit that work together to translate the genetic code into functional proteins. Abundant structures, cells contain thousands of ribosomes, with more present in rapidly growing and dividing cells membrane. High protein production demands. Coming to lysosomes, the functions of lysosomes are specialized organelles within the cell that act as the garbage disposal. They contain powerful enzymes that can break down and digest unwanted or damaged materials. Structure of lysosomes are membrane-bounded vessels containing a highly acidic interior which allows the digestive enzymes to effectively break down their contents. The role in cellular process of lysosomes play a crucial role in processes like autography, where they break down and recycle damaged or unwanted cellular components. They are involved in immune response and disease prevention. The unique feature of lysosomes, the low pH environment inside lysosomes is maintained by protein pumps that actively transport hydrogen ions into the lumen, creating the acidic condition for digestion. Sketch of a typical animal cell. This detailed sketch illustrates the key organelles and structures found in typical animal cell. The cell membrane encloses the cytoplasm, which contains the nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, ribosomes, and lysosomes, all working together to support cells' vital functions. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and like my video.